In this video, we're going to be looking at creating a checkpoint system in Unreal Engine. So firstly, we're going to create a new blueprint actor, and we'll call this BP_checkpoint. And we'll open this up. I'm going to use 2 cylinders here to represent the checkpoint location in the level. And we're going to also add a box collision. And this is going to be our overlap collision. So I'll make this a bit bigger so it spans between the two. Now once we've done that, I'm also going to add a capsule collision, and this is going to be the respawn location. So we'll move this over. Our player is going to respawn here. Okay. Now, if we scroll down to our begin overlap, we're going to call this event when they overlap with the box. So if we cast to our first person character here, like so, this is where we're going to set the respawn location. So if we go over to our first person character, as you can see, I've already got a setup here, which is from my previous tutorials, the respawn system and the damage volume, so be sure to check those 2 out for more detail. But just to run through briefly, when we take damage, so in this case on a key press, we're going to deal 50 damage, and then when our health gets below 0, or 0 exactly, we're going to call a death function, which destroys the actor, casts to the first person game mode, and sets our respawn location. So you can see here in our game mode, we spawn the actor and we possess it. So if we create a variable here called checkpoint location, and we set this to a transform, then we can get this and we can split the structure pin, and we can hook all of these up like so. If we hit compile and save, we now need to set this variable, or set our checkpoint location in our checkpoint blueprint. So if we now set checkpoint location and hook this up, as we said before, we want this location to be our capsule. So we're going to get world transform here, and then we're going to plug that in. Then we're going to hit compile and save. And now we're going to go over to our level blueprint, or our level, and drag this into the world. So now when our player runs through this collision box, they should set the checkpoint location to here. So when they die, they should spawn here. So if we hit play, and we go on over, and then we hit F to take 50 damage, and again, you can see we die and respawn at our new checkpoint location. Now what you can do here also is you could change this by adding more. So if we add a second one here, now press play, and we go to our first one and then die, and then if we go to our second one and die, we go to the second checkpoint location. And that is it. That is how you create a simple checkpoint system in Unreal Engine. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my other videos, and I will see you in the next one.